This is the iced latte, this is the iced flat white, and this is the iced cappuccino. These three iced coffees are not the same, though very many baristas confuse them and end up serving them as if they were the same exact coffee drink. If you want to know the difference between the iced latte, iced flat white, and the iced cappuccino, this simple coffee educational video is going to be for you. I am hoping to answer all your questions that you might be having about these three iced coffees. How I make each of these coffee drinks step by step. I'll be testing these three iced coffees and I give you my honest opinion on which iced coffee would be perfect for you. To make these three iced coffees, I'm going to be using two sizes of cup. I'm going to be using the 8-ounce cup and the 12-ounce cup. The type of milk, I'm using the dairy milk. You can substitute it to any plant-based milk. The recipes I'm going to be sharing of these three iced coffees, they are not permanent. You can adjust them depending on the size of cup or if you're not getting your ideal taste. So to make our iced coffees, I'll start by extracting my double shot of espresso. As the espresso is extracting, now let's prepare our cup for making the most popular and the easiest iced coffee, which is the iced latte. Very easy. I am using a 12-ounce cup for the iced latte. I start by adding in 150 grams of ice. I am using this big ice because I don't want it to melt very fast, but you can use any other type of ice. Topping up with milk and pouring the double shot of espresso on top. This is the iced latte. The amount of ice or the amount of milk can change depending on the size of cup that you're using. A bonus tip: the reason why the iced latte is very popular, it's very easy for you to flavor it and make other different versions of the iced coffees. For example, if you had a vanilla syrup, you can transform this classic iced latte to make the vanilla iced latte. Or if you add caramel syrup, it transforms and becomes the iced caramel latte. This is why every coffee shop you go, you'll find the iced latte because of this one major factor. And the second coffee drink is going to be the iced cappuccino. Deriving from the original hot cappuccino, whereby it's equal parts of espresso, milk, and foam. We are transforming it and we are only adding ice into our iced cappuccino. We start by extracting our double shot of espresso for the iced cappuccino. As our espresso is extracting, I will get my 12-ounce cup, add in my 150 grams of ice. For the milk, I'll be adding in 100 ml of milk only because we're going to need to create space for the foam. After adding in my milk, then I'll pour my double shot of espresso on top of the milk. Now this is the part which makes most baristas not like the iced cappuccino because you need to have foam on top to make the iced cappuccino. Anything without foam on top is not the iced cappuccino. For me as a barista, to make foam for my cappuccino, I'm going to add some milk into my milk jug. I'll steam it not to heat up the milk but to create the foam. My aim when I'm steaming, I'll place my steam one on top of the milk. While I'm steaming, I'm just like injecting in more air so that I can have more foam. After I finish texturing my milk, I'll get a spoon, scoop up the foam on top of my milk, add it on my espresso and ice and the milk until the cup gets full. This is how I make the iced cappuccino. As you can see, I'm having 3 layers. Down is the milk, middle I'm having a shot of espresso, and on top I'm having foam for my iced cappuccino. And our third iced coffee is going to be the iced flat white. Let me show you how I make it. Very simple. I'll start by extracting my shot of espresso. Get my 8-ounce cup, add in 80 grams of ice, which is only 1 cube. I pour in milk. Then I pour in my double shot of espresso for the iced flat white. Now for the taste experience of these 3 iced coffees, let's try them out and we see how each of them will taste and who I can recommend to order for the iced flat white, iced cappuccino and the iced latte. Starting with the first one, which is the iced latte. The iced latte is creamy, smooth, with less taste of the coffee, and this is because while I was making it, it's the one which had a lot of milk. That milk reduces on the strength of coffee, so the classic iced latte doesn't come sweet. If you want it sweet, you can add a sugar syrup or you can add vanilla to make a vanilla iced latte, iced caramel latte, or even a Spanish latte. And for the iced cappuccino, since it's having less milk and foam on top, this gives you more of a thick texture when you're drinking it, and it also gives you slightly more taste of the coffee when you're drinking the iced cappuccino. And finally, for the iced flat white, this is the one with the least amount of milk and the least amount of ice. It's giving you a more bold and intense taste of the coffee. It's an ideal coffee drink for those people that want a more strong tasting iced coffee with a very less amount of milk in it. In the easiest way, if you're someone who wants something creamy, smooth, order for the iced latte. If you want something balanced, foamy texture, very heavy on your palate, then you order for the iced cappuccino. If you are someone who wants a strong, bold, and intense flavor of your coffee, then you should order for the iced flat white. By now, I'm sure that you know the difference between these 3 iced coffees. If you have any question or something that I didn't talk about during this video, make sure to link it in the comment section. I'll try as much as possible to answer all your questions. And if you're someone who's seeing me for the first time, I am the Barista. I'm a barista with an 8-year experience. I post 1 video each and every week, aiming to help you if you're a beginner barista, coffee lover, or a home barista, make the most amazing cup of coffee. I get most of these video ideas from the questions many people ask me in the comment section below. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any new videos each and every week. If you're someone who wants to know more about the different versions of the iced coffees, then I would recommend for you to watch this video here. It shows you how you can make 13 iced coffees with the most basic recipe that you need as a barista to elevate your iced coffee experience.